Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone in two different ways. So let's get started. Now, first way, it's going to be using your buttons. First thing you're going to do is press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then finally hold on to this side button just like this for the phone to completely shut off. Now, it's a slide to power off, but do not touch that. Just keep on holding that big side button, and we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear before we let go of that side button. And this is known as a restart, basically shutting down the phone software and then reloading the code at the same time. Again, what I did was press and quickly release the volume up and then press and release the volume down in sequence before holding on to this big side button. And once you're back on, just go ahead and enter your password and then you'll be back into your iPhone. Now, another method you have, for some reason, if you can't get that button method to work, is if you have Siri turned on, you can also get Siri to restart your iPhone. Just say, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. And basically with those commands, Siri can also help restart your iPhone if the buttons aren't working, and that's probably a quicker way to restart your iPhone. As you can see here, it turned out right now, but we're gonna wait for the Apple logo to appear just like that, and I did not have to touch any of the buttons, just getting Siri to do the work for me. Again, these methods are safe, will not delete any of your personal data. All of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your phone. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.